Hello, and welcome to EuroTruck Jobs. If you're watching this video, you're interested in pursuing a professional truck driving career in Europe. Whether you're from South Africa or Zimbabwe, this video will explain exactly how the process works and what will be expected from you. At EuroTruck Jobs, we connect qualified truck drivers with legitimate employers in Europe. However, before any employer considers your application, you must first prepare yourself. Let's walk through the process step by step. Step 1, prepare your documents. The first step is preparing all the required documentation. This is the most important stage because without the correct documents, we cannot move your application forward. The core documents include a valid Code 14 EC driver's license or CE for Zimbabweans, a valid biometric passport, an international driving permit, also known as an IDP. In Zimbabwe, mostly they refer to it as an AA, but it's an IDP. An apostilled police clearance certificate. If you do not know what an apostille is, I will make another video to explain what an apostille is so that you have an understanding. It's very important that your police clearance certificate, whether it's from the South African Police Services or from the Zimbabwean Police Services, it needs to be apostilled. Lastly, we need proof of your driving experience that can be verified. When we say traceable driving experience, we mean employment that can be confirmed. Employers in Europe want to know where you've worked, what vehicles you've driven, and where your experience is genuine. If your previous employers cannot verify your employment, it becomes very difficult to present your profile to European companies. Take time to prepare these documents properly. It will make the rest of the process much smoother. Step 2, submit your application. Once your documents are ready, you'll complete the EuroTruck Jobs application, which is on our website, www.eurotruckjobs.co.za. You will submit your personal information, driving history, employment details, and supporting documents, which are the ones that I mentioned previously. Everything you provide must be truthful and accurate. Our recruitment team verifies every application before moving candidates to the next stage. Step 3, driving assessment. Candidates who meet the requirements will be invited to complete a professional driving assessment. This assessment allows us to evaluate your practical driving ability and demonstrate your skills to prospective employers. The assessment is recorded and becomes part of your professional driver profile. This helps employers see your abilities before making a hiring decision. If you've ever worked in Europe before as a truck driver, you would know that this is a very important step in your application. Step 4, employer matching. Once your documents has been verified and you are successfully completed your driving assessment, we begin presenting your profile to our partner employers across Europe. The employer reviews your documents, your verified driving experience, and your driving assessment before deciding whether to offer you employment. If selected, you'll receive a formal job offer. Step 5, work permit and visa process. After receiving a job offer, we begin the work permit and visa process. Every European country has its own immigration procedures, so processing times may vary. Throughout this stage, our team will guide you on the documentation and requirements needed to complete your relocation successfully. Most of the time, employers are the one who initiate the visa cycle. When you have done all the steps before, the employer is interested in you, they normally initiate the visa cycle. They handle the visas for you and they apply on your behalf. So, final message is working in Europe is a professional opportunity that requires preparation, patience, and commitment. Your success starts long before you board a plane. It starts with having the correct documents, verifiable experience, and a willingness to follow the process. At EuroTruck Jobs, we are committed to helping qualified drivers navigate every stage of the journey. If you're serious about building an international driving career, start by preparing your documents today. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you are watching this from YouTube. Follow if you are watching this from any other social media platform.